Top of the coconut tree. We say chica chica boom boom.
So I chose Pepe in the Parade, a celebration of Hispanic culture. Abuelo shakes maracas. People love the chac chac sound.
I brought bibimbap, and then it says, "Hurry, mama, hurry! Gotta chop, chop, chop. Hungry, very hungry for some bibimbap." And then for chop, 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 I would go chop, chop, chop.
Choose car wash. I look out the window and what do I see? I see dryers coming down, blowing hot air all around. And I made this instrument for the.
I chose the book, The Weeping Wombat, and it says, "I feel like this weeping willow tree," Walter said, "droopy." Walter whimpered and Walter sniffled, and then whimper, sniffle, whimper, sniffle. So down by the bay where the watermelon grows, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say. And then it's kind of down by the bay where the watermelon grows.
Little yellow bee. And it says, "Who do you think left this slithery trail? Look over there, it's a little blue snail." So I thought of doing this and just slithering snail.
Chose hand, fingers, thumb. Hello, Jack. Hello, Jake. Shake hands, shake, shake, shake.
Shows weather, and it's swirling, gusting, rolling, risk and breeze.
Super hot. And I have quick back through the cave, tiptoe, tiptoe, and then back through the snowstorm. Woo, 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 woo.
I have click, clack, moo, cows that type. Farmer Brown has a problem, his cows like to type. All day long he hears click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo.
I have Sadie and the Snowman. One cold winter day, Sadie made a snowman in her backyard. First she made a snowball and then she made two more. She rolled them and rolled them until they were done.
I have Little Owl's Night, and this page says, "By the river, beavers gnawed at the trees." And then I have moths fluttered towards the moon. And I think it's them fluttering towards the moon.
The pigeon will ride the roller coaster, and I use this page where it goes creak, putt, putty putt, putt.
I have the three billy goats gruff. It says, "Finally the big gruff thundered up to the bridge. Trip, trap, trop."
That's it?
Yeah.
You can use it, but then maybe you could probably use like maybe sticks too for it, you know? Because the drum, yeah, we could definitely use that.
Should we do this part?
One hand, two hands, I don't know. Yeah.
I don't know what sound that would make.
Click, clap, blow something.
Maybe like all like maybe like take them all off. Yeah, them and then put them.
Oh, shoot. Right? Yeah, like something more.
Farmer Brown has a problem. His cows like to type. All day long he hears click, clap, move. Click, clap, move.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
We're reading the book, Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. Farmer Brown has a problem. His cows like to type. All day long he hears click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo. At first he couldn't believe his ears. Cows that type? Impossible. Click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo. No milk today, cried Farmer Brown. In the background he heard the cows busy at work. Click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo.
Our book is hand, fingers, thumb. One thumb drumming on a drum. One hand, two hands drumming on a drum. Dum diddy, dum diddy, dum dum dum. Rings on fingers, rings on thumb. Drum, 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 drum.
Wombat. Walter whimpered and Walter sniffled. Whimper, sniffle, whimper, sniffle. Dawn wiggled her head through the willow branches and saw one very wary wombat. Like laughing, Dawn said, or clapping, Tobin said, or sniffling, weeping is nothing to worry about.
On a bear hunt. Quick, back through the cave, tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm, hoo-woo, hoo-woo. Back through the forest, stumble, trip, trip. Back through the mud, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. Back through the river, squirch, splash, splash, splash. Back through the grass, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy.
Skunk was eating berries because he could find no snails. By the river, beavers gawed at the trees. Turtle hid in her shell as fireflies danced all around.